love coffee, then you deserve to have a little niche somewhere in your home to call your coffee station home. So today, guys, I wanted to share with you a few tips, a few tricks, a few organization ideas to help you get your coffee station off on a good foot. So the first thing I want to share with you guys today is to make sure that you are switching out your coffee filter. I waited too long to change mine out a few months ago, and I could absolutely detect the change in the flavor of my coffee. So switching out those little cartridges is a great idea. Also, I love these carafes here that I store my creamer and water in. I picked these up from IKEA. Of course, you could use just a bottle of water, or you could keep your creamer in the container that it comes in, but I just find it a lot more fun, a lot more inviting to put my water and my creamer in those carafes. And a really quick tip too, using cold water to make your coffee, oh my gosh, guys, it creates just the best flavor in your coffee. And so here, guys, I am using the drawer right underneath my Keurig to store my K-Cups. These little baskets here that I have them stored in are from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, they come in an assortment of sizes that you can really use to tailor the look of your K-Cup drawer. Also, right beneath my K-Cups, I have some additional storage that has allowed for me to store all of my mugs, or I should say most of my mugs. And as you can see here, my love for Disney carries right over into my love for coffee. And so guys, when creating your coffee station, don't forget to carve out a little nook for all of your maintenance supplies. So guys, this is obviously the coffee station in the main area of my home, upstairs in the kitchen. However, because I love coffee so much, I just could not resist placing a coffee station downstairs in the basement. So let's head downstairs. As you can see there, I have a little basket of little oatmeal bars and goodies in there. Don't forget about that either, guys. Let's head downstairs and see what little tips and tricks we have down in the basement. So guys, down here in the basement, much like my Keurig upstairs in the main kitchen, I went with a color that would really complement and blend, I felt, seamlessly into what was already going on as it relates to decor. So my Keurig down here in the basement is more of a white and silver color. Upstairs it's more of like a pearl off-white color, but both I think complement the spaces beautifully. I added a really cozy candle, just giving me that warm, cozy feel when I came down to work out here in the basement. And so as you can see, I went with a little bit of a different type of setup as it relates to the holders or containers for my K-Cups. These I actually purchased, I want to say, at Bed Bath & Beyond. I love that these were able to extend from the beginning of the drawer and flowed all the way to the back with no space being left over. I have added my cups actually inside of this drawer as opposed to placing them all under the cabinet as I did upstairs. I added a few saucers, and although I don't have all of the Disney mugs down here in the basement as I do upstairs, I still have that touch of whimsicalness, if you will, from Disney in these two mugs right here. These were actually purchased by my good friend Eureka. Hi, Eureka! So guys, just like upstairs, I have to have my cold water for my coffee. So I just use these bottles of water here in this beverage container. However, I store my coffee creamer in another one of those IKEA carafes right here in the refrigerator located in the basement. And so, because Eric knows that on some days I can absolutely be a morning person, and then on other days I can absolutely not be a morning person, he felt it was a good idea to purchase me another Keurig to have upstairs so that when I rolled out of bed, I could have easy access to a cup of coffee. So, let's take a look and see where I will place this particular Keurig. So guys, I felt that the theater room upstairs would be a great place to have another Keurig. It's not too far from the master bedroom, and on those mornings where I can't even wait to get downstairs to have a cup of coffee, I can just walk right into the theater room and, brew me up a cup. So I love this new spot. And as you can see, I went ahead and added this stainless steel bowl. The areas surrounding the Keurig were looking kind of sparse. So adding this bowl I felt was a great addition. I also added a few waters. I added a few granola bars to the bowl, along with some fig and apple bars, and also a few packs of oatmeal. Alright guys, and so in the drawer right beneath the Keurig, I added these little racks or little containers, and I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. I love the square sizes and the smaller rectangular size. They fit perfectly in this drawer. I put in some little stirrers to use, to mix up my coffee. And guys, those little containers that you see there, they are actually salt and pepper shakers, and that's not salt and pepper that I have in there. It's actually cinnamon and sugar, and I'm just showing you guys that they fit in there so perfectly, guys. I'm able to open and close the drawer with no problem. I added in some chip clips, a pair of scissors, and a bottle opener. I felt that these little Dollar Tree hand towels would be a great addition to my little coffee station up here in the theater room, to clean up any spills that might take place. And of course, guys, you can't have a coffee station without your coffee. So I'm going to try out this Starbucks Pike Place Roast. I've never tried it before, but I just wanted to give it a try. So as you can see, they fit perfectly right here in the drawer. I had even a little bit of space left over to add 3 of the K-cups that come, as little samples when you get your new Keurig. So I am just loving the way this drawer looks. So now I want to focus on the area right beneath the drawer there. So I had 2 empty baskets there, and so I decided to place paper plates in one. You never know, I might want to have a little snack. And I added about 4 mugs, my apple cider vinegar, and some cups. And I even had enough space for a cute little trash can. Alright guys, and so because I felt like the space above the microwave was looking a little bit sparse, I decided to add a few of these Vanity Fair hand towels. Just what the space needed. I think it looks great. Okay, now we cannot forget about our creamer and our water. I purchased another one of those little carafes. This one I actually purchased at a restaurant supply store, and I store it here in the refrigerator with my cold waters. I just love cold water when I'm making my coffee. Okay, now last things last. Okay, I've saved the best for last, rather. My mug, my Mickey Mouse mug. Do you guys see how well this mug works with this space? I just love it.